Ladies and gentlemen, today is the 7th, and let's take a look at Walmart. Walmart, WMT, Walmart. And as you can see, the stock has been trading sideways for some time now. Every time you see a stock trading sideways, be ready for explosion, either to the upside or downside. In this case, it is Walmart, and so I'm expecting the market to go upstairs. It's going to be explosion to the upside because of the strong support here. As you can see, it's a strong support here. Those of you who are accumulating Walmart stocks, it's time to just buy here. You buy here, this is your support. If you break down here, you sell it. If it goes up, you keep trailing your stops. But for now, it is a buy because we expect Walmart to explode to the upside. I hope this helps. Happy trading.